In this video, we are going to learn how to load and run a lab exercise to set the router host name using the Juniper Network Simulator offered by certexams.com. Cert-Ex Network Simulator with Designer for Juniper can be downloaded from our website www.certexams.com. Demo version of the software with limited lab exercises and commands is available for free download. Once the network simulator is installed, run the application to launch the simulator. In this video, we will execute the lab exercise using Console Simulator, so click on Console-based button to proceed. Console Simulator window has options to open already exported file, saving the configuration you are working on, loading already saved configuration, and opening the lab manual. Click on the Lab Manual button to open the manual, which contains 100+ lab exercises with all detailed steps and commands. Select the lab exercise setting host name by clicking on the lab title and load it in the simulator. Once the lab is successfully loaded, enter the command step by step to do the configuration. To learn better about the exercise, all commands are provided in the manual with explanation. Short-form commands are also supported by the simulator. When all the configurations are done, use the show command to view the router host name. Thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on our channel.